Hi y'all, welcome to Big Bear Fishing. In this episode, I take you creek fishing in West Virginia. This is part 2 of this video series, and the final part. West Virginia holds a special place in my heart because I spent half my life living in the mountains and doing this exact kind of fishing. It's a wonderful place to fish. If you ever get the chance to, I would hit the creeks up there. All you need is a spinning rod and a rooster tail. So sit back, enjoy, and if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. Let's go fishing. Alright y'all, check out this spot. This is really cool. The tiniest little bluegill. Get my lure out of its mouth without hurting it. It's pretty though. He's chunky. Look at that belly on him.
He's happy.
He has returned to innocence. Ooh, that's pretty. Little rock bass. Her eyes are so pretty. You want a picture of this with?
See? It's cool.
That's a good sized rock bass there. There he goes. Alright y'all, I ran up and I grabbed my fly rod real quick. We are going to put this together. Hopefully catch something down here. Alright y'all, so this is what we're working with. We have a sulfur color fly. Yeah.
Goes straight down the middle. I picked up some largies.
Largies?
Yeah.
Okay. There's one. Look at that. Choked it. He choked it. It's pretty, look at that. Really pretty. Got him. That is a good feeling. A little smelly. Oh, he dropped off. Oh well. I caught him. Counts. It counts. pretty little sunfish. It's pretty. A lot of purple on them. That is the tiniest. I think that's one of the smallest smallmouth I've ever caught in my entire life. A little smelly. So cool. Welcome back to Big Bear Fishing. Okay, so we are at a it's the Stonewall Jackson Lake. There's a big dam up there. You can see it up there. But yeah, we're here. Let's see if I can catch something out of here. This looks pretty good right here. It's like there's grass, timber, a little bit of everything. Looks really good. Catch a couple things here, and then we're going to actually go to an insane asylum and tour that. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, let's get after it.
What is that? What's that cute?
It's a pumpkin seed.
No. Really knew it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's a little pumpkin seed.
How pretty. Let me take a picture
It's
of it.
a chunky butt pumpkin seed.
Cute, it looks like a fishing one.
That is really pretty. Ooh, that's a pretty largie. Look at the colors on that thing. Look at the colors on this. Look at the lateral line. It's got like a spot right there. It's got parasites growing off of it, but that's so pretty. Alright, buddy. That looks like a good spot to end it on.